The moment it all makes sense. Understanding, coin drop. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, coin drop. It's one of those expressions that might have you scratching your head at first, but once you get it, everything clicks into place. So, sit tight as we dive into the world of idiomatic expressions and uncover the essence of coin drop. Coin drop isn't about dropping coins on the ground, as you might first think. In fact, it's a metaphorical phrase. It describes the moment of sudden realization, understanding, or insight that occurs after a period of confusion or misunderstanding. Picture a coin slot machine. It's not until the coin drops that the machine activates and the game starts. Similarly, when someone says, "The coin dropped," they mean that something has finally clicked in their mind. The phrase likely originates from the action of inserting a coin into a slot of a vending machine or telephone and waiting for the coin to drop down, signifying that the transaction is accepted and the machine will work. It's this aha moment, when the coin literally drops, that the figurative meaning borrows from. Using coin drop correctly can add flavor to your conversation. Here's how you can integrate it. After she explained it a second time, I could practically hear the coin drop. He looked confused during the entire lecture, but I saw the coin drop when we went over the formula again. Interestingly, coin drop can also refer to a physical event where coins are dropped for charity, or in gaming, when a coin or token is earned or collected. But these are more literal uses of the phrase and not to be confused with the idiomatic expression. And that's the essence of coin drop, a phrase that perfectly captures that moment of sudden clarity. We hope this explanation helps you next time you experience that click in understanding, and you think to yourself, "Ah, the coin has dropped." Thank you for watching, and may all your learning moments lead to that satisfying coin drop. Until next time,